Hello everybody, thank you for joining us today for one of our how-to guides. We're doing something really different today. We're going to create an amaryllis wall. Amaryllis is our flower of the month for December and we are celebrating it in all its beautiful glory. So today, for our amaryllis wall, I'm going to use 5 tank vases. Now the tank vase that I'm using today is a 20 by 10 centimetre. Depending on where you're going to place the arrangement will probably determine the size vase and the quantity that you require. But today I'm using 5. I've got 10 stems of Corylus Contorta. I've got a container of stones or pebbles, basically something decorative that's going to help to secure the weight of the vases. 8 stems of amaryllis. I'm using red lion on this occasion. Kind of epitomises Christmas really. I've got a hank of raffia and my usual florist workbox. Okay, so this kind of design is quite contemporary in its feel, so it really suits a corporate environment, say an office or maybe a restaurant or a hotel lobby. It's a stylish way of bringing the festive cheer. It's quite a long-lasting arrangement. Certainly a statement talking piece. It kind of needs a little bit of looking after because you will have to top the stems up. But yeah, something that's going to give you a real wow factor this festive season. I hope I inspire you to have a go. Enjoy. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed our Amaryllis wall. I have a few top tips if it's something you'd like to have a go at doing yourself. Top tip number 1, it must be made in situ. It's really difficult to move, so I don't advise trying to transfer it. Okay. Number 2, you need to fill the Amaryllis stems with water. They're hollow. They'll need filling up every couple of days or so. The arrangement itself can last sort of 2 to 4 weeks depending on the ambient temperatures and where it's placed. But yeah, bear in mind that if you place it up somewhere high, you've got to get higher than the tallest stem of the Amaryllis to water it. Top tip number 3, I would strongly recommend you have a buddy to help you. If you've got someone that can actually hold on to the Amaryllis while you're tying, it's so much easier. Top tip number 4, you need to kind of put it against a wall really, so that would be the preferred location. So you've not got a risk of it being knocked over or dented or crashed into. Also, a nice back wall will actually give it a superb colour backdrop. All right. Well, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's given you some inspiration to go on and create something for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where there are lots more tips and hints and inspirational ideas using the fabulous Amaryllis. Like us and don't forget to share us with your friends and keep those comments coming. We love to hear what you think about our arrangements. Thanks for joining us. We look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.